In this video, we will discuss about the location of center of mass for a discrete mass system. And by discrete mass system, I mean to say that when the point masses are kept at the individual points in a system, then that system is known as discrete mass system, in which the mass is not uniformly, not continuously distributed. So this is the first type of discrete mass system, and this is a equilateral triangle in which there are four masses which are kept on three corners as well as at centroid of the triangle. You have to calculate the x and y coordinate of the center of mass of the system, and obviously the z coordinate would be 0 because all the complete system is lying in xy plane only. So the z coordinate would be 0. We have to calculate the x and y coordinates. So first of all, for x coordinate, XCOM, I am considering this point as origin, and it is also mentioned in the question that this is origin, so you have to consider this point as origin. So XCOM will be m into 0 because this mass is itself kept at the origin and its distance from the origin would be 0, plus the x coordinate of this 2m mass will be A is the side of the triangle. So this is A, so 2m into A plus the x coordinate of 3m. So the x coordinate of 3m will be this distance, and this is A by 2. So it is 3m into A by 2 plus, now the x coordinate of 4m is 4m into A by 2 divided by the total mass. Total mass is 6m plus 4m, which is 10m. So XCOM will be equal to this is 3 by 2 and this is 4 by 2 and this is 7 by 2 and this is 2m. So 7 by 2 plus 2m will be equal to 11 by 2, and therefore it is 11a by 20. Now the YCOM. YCOM of the system will be m into 0 plus this is 2m into 0 because 2m is also lying on the x-axis and the y coordinate on x-axis is 0, plus 3m into, now this distance will be the y coordinate of 3m, and this distance we all know is root 3 by 2a by Pythagoras theorem, because this is a and this is a by 2, so this would be a square minus a square by 4, so it is root 3a by 2. So this is 3m into root 3a by 2 plus 4m into root 3a by 4, because in fact this is not root 3a by 4. This distance will be 2/3, in fact 1/3 of this one. We all know that centroid divides the median into 2 by 3, 1:2 ratio. So this distance will be equal to 1 by 3 of root 3 by 2a. So this distance will be equal to a by 2 root 3, a upon 2 root 3 divided by total mass, which is 10m. So this is equal to, this is 3 root 3 by 2 and this is 2 a by root 3. So 3 root 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3 will be equal, this is 2 root 3 and this will be 9 plus this will be 4. Now this will be 13a by 20 root 3. Now we move on the next question. In this question, there is a square of side A, and we have to find out the coordinates of center of mass considering this mass m as origin, and this is also 2 dimension. Now XCOM will be equal to m into 0 for this mass and 2m into A plus 3m into A plus 4m into 0, because 4m is lying on the y-axis, therefore the x coordinate of 4m will be 0, plus 5m into A by 2, divided by the total mass will be m plus 2m 3m, this is 6m, this is 10m, and this is 15m. So XCOM will be equal to, this is 2 plus 3, this is equal to 5, and 5 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2, and 15 by 2 upon 15 will be equal to 1 by 2. So this is A by 2. This is the x coordinate of the center of mass, and you can predict it directly that if we draw a line on this 5m mass, then you can see that the mass is, this is line of symmetry, and a line of symmetry, this is line of symmetry. Now line of symmetry is a line on whose either side has the same masses. So this is equal to 4m plus m, which is 5m, and this is 3m plus 2m, which is 5m. So this line will be the line of symmetry, and center of mass will be lying on this line. If you are able to find two line of symmetry, then the intersection point of that two line of symmetries will be the center of mass. But in the y coordinate, we can see that YCOM will be equal to m into 0 plus 2m into 0 plus this 3m into A plus 4m into A plus 5m into A by 2, divided by 15m. So this is equal to 3 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 by 2, 3 plus 4 is in fact 7, and 7 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 19 by 2. So this will be 19a by 30. Okay, so this will be the center of mass of y coordinate of center of mass. Now we move on the next question. In this question, again there is a hexagon, regular hexagon, whose side is A, and we have to find out the x and y coordinates of center of mass of this hexagon. So XCOM will be equal to m into 0 for this mass plus 2m into A for this 2m mass, plus this angle is 60, this is 60, and this is 60, and therefore this distance will be, we all know that the sides of regular hexagon and its half diagonals are also equal to A. So this distance will be equal to A cos 60, and A cos 60 will be A by 2. So the complete x coordinate of this 3m will be this one, and this is A plus A by 2. So this is 3A by 2. So this is 3A by 2 into 3m plus the x coordinate of 4m mass will be A. Okay, so 4m into A plus the x coordinate of 5m is 0. So this is 5m into 0 plus the x coordinate of 6m will be minus A by 2, because 6m is lying behind the origin and this is A by 2. So it is equal to 6m into minus A by 2. And this is the x coordinate of 7m will be 7m into A by 2. This distance is also equal to A by 2. Now divided by the total mass will be this is 3m, this is 6m, this is 10m, this is 15m, this is 21m, and this is 28m. So 28m. So and the y coordinate will be equal to m into 0 plus 2m into 0 plus 3m into, now this distance will be a into sine 60. So it is root 3a by 2. So this is 3m into root 3a by 2 plus the distance of 4m will be twice of this. Therefore it will be 4m into root 3 plus 5m into root 3, because 5m is also lying in the same level of 4m, plus 6m into root 3a by 2, because 6m is above the x-axis, so its y coordinate would be positive, as well as 7m into root 3a by 2 divided by whole upon 28m. So this could be calculated, and this is the method of calculating the center of mass of discrete mass systems. But from recent past many years, these kind of questions are not being asked in medical entrance exams or engineering entrance exams, so we can just skip them if we want to skip. But this is a very simple initial concept of center of mass, so you can understand it easily. Thank you.